this Watercolor colors. Here you get one little brush. I'm very interested on how these colors work. Here is the white. We will not try this white. And here on this part you get 3 wells for mixing colors. We will try this yellow, and think this, I don't know, this brush is this, I don't think it's getting much color on. But now we will try another brush. So it is this one, and maybe it's a brush, so we will see. Now with this brush, look at this. Why is this brush so bad? I don't know. So let's see. Yes, it's totally different thing. So could you see how brush make the difference? It is very strange. Very strange thing. Totally different feelings with this brush and with this cheap one. So here are greens, and blues. And now we will take this brush and throw it away because it is horrible. And now we will try with normal brushes on one painting. Like you see, first I wanted to add a blue background for the sky and for the water. And I found this painting on Pinterest, but the person who paint this paint only using pink colors, and I was thinking this would be a very beautiful painting of some fall leaves, and I want to add some orange and red and yellows on this painting. And even this painting is very beautiful, like original monochrome with pinks and a little bit of violet. I want this to be like a fall colors, so I add this little leg in blue and a little bit of blue sky and darker clouds, like it is fall and it is pretty cloudy weather. And I add this in distance some coast maybe with some wood or something, but in the same color like the sky. So here is my pier, and this pier is like from the wood, of course, normal pier, and I want this to be in watercolors, of course. So first I add this creamy, like creamy color. Then I was adding a bit of darker brown because I want to show these planks, and I'm always using this paper towel for remove extra water from my painting, because I'm already used to paint this watercolors on my mixed media paper. So this is a little woodsy part on this pier, and they are darker color, and later I will add a bit of one tree and some greenery around this pier. So I think this painting came up pretty cute. I wanted to show the fall colors, and in one moment I put my sketchbook up, and I put it down for a minute, but in this time you can see only my hand, and I'm real sorry for this. That's why I make this video so fast, because I was painting and explaining what I do, and try to make this like one cute fall tutorial, but you can't see what I'm doing up on my painting. So I'm sorry, I don't know why did I push this up. Maybe is my hand hurt or something. So in one moment, so I'm using this little sponge, and I'm dabbing with this sponge on this pier and on the tree, and I'm using yellow, red and orange colors, because I think these colors represent fall, and I want to call this painting like fall on the lake. So this is little tutorial to be, but it is not. And never mind, I think it's okay. And that is all from me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed in this little painting, and see you in the next one. Bye!